Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you guys are back with me for another haul. I truly apologize for coming to share with me. Unfortunately, I have been sick, you guys. My asthma has tried to take me out of here. This is one of the worst seasons so far, and I'm on all sorts of medicine. But still wanted to come and share with you guys what I received for Mother's Day and just the blessings that I received, and just to be able to get out and do something other than just be in the house and be sick, you guys. So I'm super excited and hope you guys are excited with me on sharing these items. Please don't forget, if you're not part of the family or the community and you want to be a part, don't forget to just go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. It doesn't cost a thing, you guys. And also, don't forget to hit your notification button so that you won't miss out on any of the things that I post in the future. So again, to everybody else, I appreciate you all and thank you. Without further ado, I don't want to take a long time, so I want to go ahead and ensure I go ahead and jump into this video. You guys, I Mother's Day was amazing, you guys, and I hope that Mother's Day was amazing for you guys. I truly appreciate my family, my husband, my children, and my friends. We had a lovely time. And so I'm going to share some of the items that they did get me, and I am truly appreciative of. All right, you guys, as you can see, there is a section over here that I wanted to go ahead and jump into and share with you guys. Beautiful boxes, as you can see, but I do want to go ahead and start with this. As you guys can see, they did give me something from Marc Jacobs, and this is a mixture haul. It's just not one brand, you guys, but they did buy me a couple of items from some of my favorite brands, and I'm going to go ahead and sit that down. I have two boxes here, and I'm going to go ahead and open up the first one to share. And here we have the Marc Jacobs bags, like so. And in here, you guys, I received, and I'm sorry for the jazz music behind you guys, these beautiful earrings, you guys. They know that I love, let me see if I can, there we go. I love jewelry, but I also love bags, you guys. I felt like that was such a beautiful gift. Let me put it up against there so you guys can see. But these are little Marc Jacobs totes, you guys. So this was a beautiful gift, and I really love these. And then on the back, they're just like, you're really cute because they look like real bags. They have the back like so. And inside, you guys, they actually have like an opening. So they actually look like a tote bag. That is one of the items I received. And again, it came in this beautiful tote bag from Marc Jacobs. The second one, because again, I received two. Again, same setup, you guys. And in this one, I received a necklace. Now, I have already unpacked these and taken them off the boxes so that it wouldn't be a lot, you guys. So I received this beautiful, hopefully you guys are picking it up. Let me see. Beautiful with the rhinestones Marc Jacobs necklace as well, you guys. And on the back, it has the Marc Jacobs logos like a tote bag. And I have two adjustments. And you guys know I am a silver girl. So it has where I'm able to adjust like so. So again, you guys, this beautiful piece, anything that blings, you guys, you should know I am going to love. And again, like so. Hope you guys are getting a good view of it. Okay, so those were the first two items that I received, and I really appreciated those. My next item, you guys, is in this beautiful box. And I don't know if you guys have ever received something like this. And if so, you guys know I love a good dialogue. But it says, lasting love, lasting blooms. And you guys, again, beautiful box. But I received these gorgeous flowers, you guys. These are flowers. Look at that color, you guys. I I love them. It came in this beautiful box that says for you, my best wishes to you. And these, they actually come in a little vase, and they're to last for a year or more. They're real life flowers, you guys. I thought that those were so beautiful. Look at the colors. I really felt like I wanted to share that with you guys because that is a beautiful gift. And I was so appreciative of you guys. Okay. All right. Next item, you guys, I got. If you know this brand, Pepper K. This is a brand that I have been seeing all on social media, you guys. But this is a bag charm. And my friend bought this for me to go on my denim bag charm. But she doesn't know, you guys, that I am thinking about getting the blue in the Coach bag. Maybe the Lana, adding to my Lana collection. I'm not for sure, but this is so beautiful, you guys. As you can see, it has my favorite colors, which are silver, turquoise blue, and blue. And I believe it has, no, I thought it had green in it, but that's turquoise. And you guys, I thought this was cute. This is a jellyfish bag charm. Very, very beautiful. Tell me what you guys think about that. Isn't she pretty? I can see this looking very, very pretty on my denim bags, you guys. All right. All right, you guys. The next item I received is in this gorgeous box, you guys. I thought this box was so pretty. And it was funny because I didn't know what was in the box, you guys. But when I opened it, surprise, surprise to me, it was a bag, you guys. Who would have known that I would have gotten a Coach bag in this box, you guys? OMG, look at her. You guys, I received this for Mother's Day from one of my friends. Now, you guys know good and well what I got to go with this. This is the Straw Smith Tote size 24. And it is in the straw. It is like a mini tote, you guys. It has Coach up, as you can see. It has the Coach tag here. We have the 2 loops here on the side. Sorry, you guys, I'm trying to do this. I'm not in my normal location as well. It even has a back pocket, you guys. Now, the slip pocket is not going to fit my phone. It's too big, you guys. But I'm thinking maybe my wallet, a mini wallet, or some lip gloss or something to that effect, you guys. Inside the bag, it's black, very dark black. It came with a crossbody strap. Kind of already unwrapped it, you guys, because I wanted you guys to see it. And again, I didn't want to create a long video. But we have the crossbody straps. You know, I won't be carrying it. It does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to adjust. Inside, it has, it actually has a closure, a button closure, so I can actually close it. It's not a zip. As you can see, you can close it. It has a zip pocket on this side, and again, it's so dark you guys can't hardly see. So it has a zip pocket on one side, and then it has 2 card slot pockets on the opposite side, you guys. Very, very pretty. And you guys know that I received this bag because of the shoes that I had. You guys remember me doing a video on my Coach sandals, you guys. So now I have a set. You guys remember this? And I have worn these. They're comfortable. But what I did find is this little spot here, you guys. it kind of bothers me on one of my foots. Let me know if you have these and how do they fit as you wear them all day long. But again, you guys, I have a set at this point. So I have the bag, the bag as well as the shoes. So I am super, super excited for that. That is one of my favorite gifts. You guys know I love a good bag. So I was super excited for this. Okay. And again, it was placed in this box. So, like so. All right. And then, you guys, the last item that I received came in this bag. And again, I received all other kind of things. But you guys, I just wanted to share the bags that I got. And in this bag, my daughter got me, you guys, this bag. The cherry camera bag, you guys. I believe that's what it's called. The cherry Jamie crossbody bag or camera bag. So I do have a cherry tote bag. This one she got me is because it has the silver hardware. You guys know I love the silver hardware. On the back, it has a pocket that I believe can fit my cell phone. Inside, let me take this stuff out. Inside, we have the tan. There is one pocket slot on there that buttons, and it's just one big bag. It is not detachable, which you guys know I wish it was. It does have adjustable strap, but it does not detach. And I was super, super happy to get this because this makes my second cherry item. And I wanted an actual bag, purse that I can wear with cherries instead of just my tote bag. So they listen to me, you guys, and they know things that I love. So I am super, super excited on the items that my family and friends did get for me. I just truly, truly appreciated them. And I wanted to come and share some of the items with you guys. Again, they loved on me so much, and I was able to love back on some of my friends for Mother's Day.